Listerine. And I've been murderous since my days in the uterus till my damn christenings of your irrelevance. I make beats and let the devil dance. If hip-hop dead, I'm the fucking ambulance. Ask your girl, I'm her man crush Monday. No delaying, I'm giving her dick Tuesday. She at the crib, don't give a fuck what you say. Check your mailbox, hope your ass got Blu-ray. Got more bitches than Shannon Tatum, so niggas hate them. Verbatim when they jacking my shit, but they underrate them. I'm a boss, I don't take selfies. Roll down the windows, let the paparazzi help me flash. Not a lyricist, I'm a damn dictionary. Making rap uncomfortable for every time Dick and Harry. Here to run the game, let us and it's over. Take control like the crack, not close-minded. But I got clothes on my mind every motherfucking time. So it's order more from my entourage. Bags made from all stretches from my balls, bitches. Louboutin for the baby mom. And Alexander McQueen for my little queen. Soothsayer, Kingslayer. And I'm coming for your spot, you should say a prayer, player. And I ain't even trying to ruin your career, but you probably have to move to Korea. Yeah. Bad motherfucker, bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker, bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker, I'm a bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker, bad motherfucker. I'm a bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker, bad motherfucker. Bad. Reverse the Biggie Smalls in the body of a male stripper. Make a hater slit his wrist with a nail clipper. Jack the Ripper via satellite transmitter. Got him stirring at the fire like damn nigga. Dudes bitch about tum down hip hop and go home and buy tum down hip hop. Y'all need to buy more Earl, more Q, more K, more Ye, more J, me too. It's apparent from my apparel and my appearance. It's in the jeans from my pair of pants and my parents. No interference. When I got my Dre's on and I'm bumping in old kicks. High fashion, no jewels on my neck, but the scarf cost 2 chains plus change. Shit strange. My nickname came from my dick game when the bitch came. Woo! I'm a beast to a dyke. Then I hit the studio for an all-nighter. Then I beast on the mic. Let me find a killer track, then I murder it. I'm Dexter. I'm a new school director with an old film projector. Is that your bitch protect her? If I fuck around and I text her. Don't want her waking up in August and it's slightly nauseous, but I'm generous.